挽回試しにのやり
Welcome to the shop. We have a lot to cover. A lot to cover. I don't YouTube no more. I TikTok now. I wanted to make a vlog today and just talk about our shop, what we're gonna do with the 240, what happened to the Integras, and that's pretty much it. Where to start? Where to start? So we're not doing no more K-Series build. They just didn't want to do it no more, so we're not doing that anymore. We're moving on. We sold both Integras, and we're on the process of selling everything else. Well, we sold mostly everything. All we have is a hood and radiator support and 2 seats left. We still have the Jaden K24. We're not selling that. We're keeping that for something else. I guess we'll talk about the shop. I got this shop probably about 2 weeks ago. Maybe, right? Two weeks ago? I think 2 weeks ago. Just because I think it would be better to personally have my own shop. It's not that like I had issues with Joe or anything. It was more like something I wanted to do myself. Joe's a cool dude and all and stuff, but he needs his own shop and he needs to do his own things and stuff. I mean, don't get me wrong, he let me work there whenever I needed to. He gave me a key, well, he let me make keys for the shop that I was at for like a month. I mean, I've done work over there, but I think it was better for me to make the decision and get my own shop so we can do 240 stuff and just have fun here. That's basically it. I have nothing against Joe, and Joe's probably one of the reasons why. Joe's the reason why I made the decision to hop on and get a shop for myself and our friends, basically. But it's probably pretty much just for me, Jose, and Havent to work on our 240s. We'll never know when Jose will start working on his S13. He just starts buying stuff and then sells them. He has wheels for sale, some BSKs for $3,000, brand new. It's been sitting for 4 months, hasn't been touched. Probably been on a couple of cars, but never been ran on. Jose's also selling this beautiful car for 10 grand. We'll be doing more content here at the shop, hopefully. I mean, I've been slacking. I've been doing a lot of TikToks more. I just have more followers on TikToks, and it's easier, 3-minute videos, compared to making like a 10-minute video and then editing everything on the thing and then uploading it to YouTube and stuff. But I really want to start getting back into YouTube and making more content, especially with this car, because this car, we finally got it running properly. Like, all the fucking, from the day I got it to like, the day we got it in the shop, it ran like shit, like fucking shit. I want to get back into doing cinematics, doing 240 stuff like that. Hopefully Jose starts buying some stuff for his piece of shit so we can work on it, because I'm tired of working online. With the E30s, with the E46, hopefully soon we can slam it, put out some photos, do something with it, because it's just the daily driver, but it would be nice to do something cool with that. I don't want to speak too much into what we're doing, because we did sell the Integras for a reason. I don't want to talk about it, but let's just say sooner or later we'll be getting another project car. Hopefully we keep this one instead of selling it like we did the other two. I'm praying that it's a good condition car, because we almost bought a $400 350Z with no title this weekend, but we're not going to do that. But we have some cars in mind. Hopefully in the next couple possibly do stuff like that, but then again, I'm looking to buy another shell so I can throw all the stuff in here into that better shell. I don't know yet. I haven't made my decision yet, and it's super hard to find these anyways in good condition. I mean, this is probably one of the best condition cars I've ever had, like for a 240. Because the other one Jose sold to me, it was in good condition, but too many wrecks. This one, we found out that the rear of it was smashed, like super smashed in. Like this whole quarter panel was probably pushed all the way in. But yeah, this is a super old car. The other day we saw the inspection from 2004. Yeah, that's the inspection from 2004 right there. That's crazy. This car still has the inspection on it. And another thing that happened recently is that my Instagram account got hacked. So I don't know what else got hacked. I'm not trying to put vlogs on my other channel. So all the new vlogs that are going to be coming out will be going on in the InspiredDreams channel. So if you guys are old subscribers, can you guys do me a favor and go to InspiredDreams and go watch all of our videos, give us likes, comments, and all that so you can help our algorithm grow so we can grow as a channel. And that's pretty much it. I just wanted to talk about what's going on, and yeah. You got anything to say?
I'm real happy he made the decision to get a shop. I'm also happy because he gave me a little spot for my car, my shit, and my boat, my kayak, technically. And yeah, we're gonna make it more home-like, and we already started with the decorations.
Shout out to Lucky Labo for making these badass flags. We're not sponsored or anything, but he did have them for 50% off, $15 for the flags, so go check them out.
So hopefully we get more shit to do when the time comes.
Damn, this is Jose's first time talking on camera like this. This is crazy. We're upgrading. But the cool thing is, this isn't like a year thing at this place. It's monthly. We pay every month and stuff. But hopefully next year, if they have the 2-bay shops open and if we're making enough money, I would love to move into a 2-bay, because at these shops here, we can put posts and stuff. But that's just like a what if scenario if it does come down to that and stuff. But me and Jose are planning, maybe, hopefully, on getting a post in here so we can have the 240 up or whatever car up and have more room for us and stuff like that. Jump down. But yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Everything is covered. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I guess we'll see you guys on the next vlog coming out soon.
Talking on the net, I know the way you like it, get your credit.